morning.
Good morning.
And welcome to Florida.
Day 2.
Oh, it is so nice this morning. It's not too hot. There's a nice little breeze. I think the weather's going to be quite bad today. So we were originally going to do Volcano Bay, but we've decided to scrap that. We're going to do Universal Studios, but we're going to go
just
for
while it's
breakfast at
overcast.
Keke'S first. But it's not really that overcast. But the weather app is saying it's going to rain today. So we just thought we don't want to risk going to Volcano Bay and then not like being able to enjoy the full day. So yeah, so we're waiting for George.
He's forgot his
water bottle. So we are just chilling and then gonna get the car.
Keke'S for some pancakes and iced coffee.
Literally been waiting for this, the best American breakfast, other than Cracker Barrel. Cracker Barrel is very good too.
Yes.
But so yeah, we will catch you at Keke'S. So I just thought I'd show you the little like harbour like area of our hotel. So this little bar here is called the Thirsty Fish. We haven't been there yet, but that is our plan later on this afternoon. We're going to do Universal Studios and then come back to the hotel, have some drinks and go make the use of the pool. Honestly, I really love this hotel.
The theming is great.
Literally, George goes to me last night, he goes, oh, is this hotel based off of somewhere? I was like, maybe Portofino Bay in Italy, babe.
You've got the Italian flags up there as well, that kind of gives it away.
Again.
So I am going for the pecan pancakes with bacon.
So you're getting iced coffee too, so you literally are getting pancakes and iced coffee. And I can't decide what to go for. I love the omelettes in here, but I love the French toast. I think I'm going to get French toast and get omelette next time.
Or is she getting omelette this time and French toast next?
No, I think it's going to be the omelette today. No, French toast. So Georgie Porgy couldn't decide what to have, so you got the silver dollar pancakes and some waffles, French toast.
Lovely.
Sophie got 2 pancakes and I think she's overwhelmed by the size of them. And then Daniel got pancakes. He got the pecan ones.
Pecan with bacon.
And then I had to get the turtle stuffed French toast. I got this last time and it's so good. And I also got some strawberries for health. So we finished our breakfast, got my takeaway iced coffee, which I love that they do that here. I very easily finished all my breakfast, and so did George back there. These two not so much. Sophie was definitely overwhelmed with the size of the pancakes.
Yeah, I remembered how big they were, and she just comes out and that's a carb overload.
Literally. The lady even said, when these two ordered 2 pancakes, she's like, they are big, like, you sure you don't just want one? They're like, no, we'll have 2. Yeah, but I still think I prefer the French toast.
French toast, yeah, I'm getting the French toast next time. But I had to get the pancakes.
What did you prefer, the pancakes or the French toast, George?
Probably the French toast.
Yeah.
Next time I'll get it with some toppings on instead.
Bit like similar to my one or one of the other flavours.
Yeah, I just had the plain one, didn't I?
So yeah, now we're going back to the hotel to drop the car off, and we are then gonna walk our way over to Universal Studios. So, change of plan, we're not going to Universal Studios. We're sticking with the original plan of Volcano Bay because there is no clouds in the sky right now. My app's telling me that there will be rain today. George's is saying that it's not going to be till 4. So we'd rather do the water park today than tomorrow because we have to check out tomorrow and then check into Disney. And we don't really want to do that being all soggy and wet. So we are going to Walmart to buy some beach towels, and then it is back to the hotel to get the bus to Volcano Bay. Happy with that?
Yes, I am happy with that.
Definitely looking forward to that. We haven't done Volcano Bay since 2019. Yeah. So I would actually say Walmart's like one of my guilty pleasures. There's just something about coming here that I absolutely love. And it is boiling today. So I'm glad we've changed our minds to do Volcano Bay instead. Yeah. It is very hot today. Would you say hotter today than yesterday?
Yes.
Yeah, definitely.
Which is strange because the phones are completely opposite.
Literally, my phone has told me it's going to be raining all day. Not a cloud in the sky. What? It's very hot. And we are sat at a bus stop. Wait, this is why I love hiring a car, but the only thing is I wish there was a car park at Volcano Bay.
Yeah, but there is it's at Universal.
Yeah, you'd have to drive, yeah, so you'd still have to get a bus regardless. That's what I mean. I wish, like, a bit like Typhoon Lagoon, I wish there was just one there.
Yeah, that would be good. But
No.
hey, it doesn't matter.
Nice t-shirt. Nice shorts.
Sweet.
Short shorts. Are you excited?
Yeah. It's such a long time since we've been here before, but we didn't explore it
We definitely didn't do it properly last time. We didn't do any of the lazy rivers or anything, so yeah, I'm looking forward to actually going back. I don't know. I don't know what, I think we were just in like a bubble because this is the day after we got engaged.
Oh, actually it is,
We've literally done a repeat of the whole holiday. So we're just going to the lockers now. We're going to put the camera away and switch over to the GoPro. So yeah, we might not do as much vlogging today.
I don't know, we'll see how we go.
Yeah.
We'll see.
So it might be 11:15
Still
in the
morning.
But we parked up right in front of the bar and we couldn't turn
Best
down a
place to be.
cocktail. I went for a watermelon one and you went for the pina colada.
Pina colada.
Well, it's not actually a pina colada.
It's their version of a
Yeah.
pina colada.
But-
I
and
will
you
get the name.
and you get to keep the cups and you get $3 off each refill. So
Winning. So we've had our little drinks.
had a little chill in the sun.
Oh, it's so hot at the moment. So nice. So we're just gonna go and like tap into a ride because what you do here is you have these bands and you tap in, and then they give you a notification to say when your ride's ready. So that's quite nice, really. So we're gonna go and find something to tap into, and then yeah. So a little bit of bad news. I don't think I'll be able to take the GoPro on any of the slides here. We literally just tried to do that one and he said no recording devices allowed on the rides, but you're allowed to take your phones. So we will see if we go on another one that I could take it or not, but I don't know. So yeah, we just done
I don't know if we're going to butcher the name of it. I think it's called Honu Moana ride. Like it literally, Daniel, try and get a video of it in a second.
Yeah.
It was so good. But the four of us together, we weighed a little bit too much, so
Yeah,
we had
let's
to go
go
in
two
two groups of
twos.
two.
But yeah, that was so bloody good. It's so high on that first bit. Why are you over there? My wife left me. I've got you.
Yeah.
We've been to Volcano Bay, but we've never done the lazy river. So this is all completely new to us.
And we love a lazy river. Typhoon Lagoon Lazy River is like my fave in the world, and this one's quite good. Gets you a bit more wet than Typhoon Lagoon's one.
something we've never done. Again, never done a lazy river, never been inside the volcano. What did we do last time we was here? Look at these shoes. What are we like? Literally, who told us about to wear shoes?
Becky and Sean.
That's right. See, that's the reason why we're wearing shoes, is because we got recommended to wear them by a couple of our friends. Oh my god, there's a lizard.
What?
There's a lizard. We have just gone and got some snacks.
Well, it's not really a snack, is it? It's a full-on meal.
It's an American snack. So we have one Caesar salad, one sushi,
California sushi.
and a longboard pepperoni pizza. Good. As a pizza goes, it ain't no blaze.
Caesar salad. I wish more places didn't put cucumber in sushi. Hate cucumber.
I think everybody knows now that you hate cucumber.
What's your pizza like?
It's good.
I'll try a bite.
It's no blaze pizza though, trust me.
Saturday. Or tomorrow.
Or tomorrow. There we
That's
are,
huge.
Well, just have a bite.
It's good though.
Yeah, nice now. Right, tell you what, I cannot wait for Blaze.
Ah, hot. Oh my god.
What's sushi like?
Good.
This is some combination. Pizza, sushi, Caesar salad.
That cheese.
So far, how's your day been?
Yeah, I really enjoyed it. I do really like it here.
There's so much to do here though, I find. So much.
I think we've done more this time around than we did last time.
Yeah. Definitely. But we do have 275 minutes until the water comes.
Mine says 260.
Oh, you're going up before me then.
I'm sure it was 210 when we joined.
It actually was. That was 185. It's gone up.
Obviously gone up. Maybe it's closed.
Who knows? Maybe we won't do that this visit.
Yeah, it's definitely gone up. Unless we missed it. No.
No, I would say. You would say go now.
Weird.
Yeah, Lazy River was really relaxing. Love that. That the raft ride we did, that was really good.
I liked the one we did when we queued with Sophie and George. What was that called?
Yeah,
the Moana one.
Yeah, that was really good. Sent us flying up the top of Rampo. That was brilliant. I still don't think you can beat Typhoon Lagoon. That's just such an OG water park.
No, this one is good, but yeah, there's something about that one that's my favourite.
Yeah.
Nasty.
we've done one half, haven't we, of Volcano Bay, and we're just gonna head over to the other half and see. But it's like 4 o'clock now, so it's quite late on in the day.
Yeah, we've like not really done a lot again.
No.
No, we have. We've done what we've wanted to do. We like done it. I had have a bit of a chill day, taking in the nice weather.
Yeah, that's been good. So they are playing Typhoon Lagoon music.
My favourite music ever.
Whoa. Time at work. Why are you saying whoa? Why are you trying to bug me out?
Just go straight into these spaces here, George. Look at the camera.
Yeah, I know. There's a ball up there.
Do you have to drive the lorries at work?
Yeah.
This should be easy.
So I've got bang bang chicken and shrimp, my favourite, and my second favourite Daniel has, which is the chicken Louisiana pasta. Is it good, babe?
It's delightful.